A wise Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." This profound statement highlights how our thoughts shape our reality. By focusing on positive affirmations like, "I am," you can invite financial abundance into your life. But what are the two words that hold such immense power? Stay with me to uncover this secret and learn how these words can transform your financial reality. Have you ever wondered how just a few words could change your life? Today, we're diving into an extraordinary topic: how saying two simple words can bring financial miracles your way. We'll explore the connection between ancient Buddhist wisdom and modern quantum physics, which may sound intriguing, right? Stick around and you might learn something that could change your life forever. First, let me share an interesting fact. Did you know that scientists have discovered that our thoughts can actually influence the physical world? This phenomenon is known as the observer effect in quantum physics, and it's genuinely fascinating. But more on that later. In this article, we will explore how the simple words, "I am," can unlock the door to financial abundance. You may be wondering, how can such small words have such a significant impact? Well, it all comes down to the power of the mind and belief. The connection between Buddhism and quantum physics. In Buddhism, there is a belief that our thoughts and words shape our reality. When you say, "I am," you are making a powerful declaration about who you are and what you believe. We will examine how the principles of quantum physics align with Buddhist teachings. Quantum physics reveals that the act of observing something can change its outcome, while mindfulness in Buddhism teaches us to be aware of our thoughts and actions, knowing they shape our reality. Although these two fields may seem different, they share a common ground. We will also discuss the idea of cultivating the right mindset for abundance. It's not just about saying the words, "I am," but truly believing in them. It's about overcoming limiting beliefs that hold you back and replacing them with positive, empowering thoughts. This shift in mindset is crucial for attracting financial miracles into your life. Reprogramming your mind for financial success. Consistent positive affirmations can reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating positive statements, you can create new neural pathways in your brain, leading to a more positive and abundant outlook on life. This concept is not just spiritual, but also backed by science. As we continue our journey, let's explore the fascinating link between quantum physics and Buddhist teachings. Imagine a world where your thoughts can influence reality. This is the world quantum physics opens up for us. In the realm of tiny particles, the mere act of observation can change the outcome. This is known as the observer effect, a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. In Buddhism, mindfulness teaches us to be present and aware of our thoughts. When you are mindful, you become the observer of your own mind. This awareness is powerful, just like in quantum physics, where observation affects particles. In mindfulness, observing your thoughts can change your reality. By being mindful, you can choose positive thoughts over negative ones, thus shaping a better future for yourself. The power of "I am." Now, let's bring this into our topic. The words "I am" are not just statements, they are declarations of your existence and potential. When you say, "I am abundant," you are setting an intention and observing yourself as someone capable of achieving abundance. This simple practice aligns perfectly with both quantum physics and Buddhist teachings. Think of your mind as a garden, where mindfulness is the gardener and your thoughts are the seeds. By being mindful, you can choose to plant seeds of abundance and positivity. Over time, with care and attention, These seeds will grow into a flourishing garden of financial miracles. Cultivating the right mindset for abundance. Let's delve into how cultivating the right mindset for abundance can unlock even more potential in your life. The journey is just beginning, and there's so much more to uncover. The power of two simple words, I am, is immense. Imagine these words as keys to a treasure chest, unlocking the vast potential within you. When you say, I am, you are not just speaking, you are creating your reality. These words hold special power in shaping your mindset and attracting abundance into your life. Think about a time when you felt confident and successful. Perhaps you said to yourself, I am capable, or I am deserving of success. These affirmations did more than just boost your mood. They began to shape your reality. When you believe and affirm positive statements about yourself, you start to see changes in your life. This is the magic of I am. In Buddhism, the concept of right speech emphasizes speaking truthfully and positively. By saying, I am, followed by a positive attribute, you're practicing right speech. You are aligning your words with your intentions, creating a powerful force for change. When you say, I am prosperous, you are not only speaking it into existence, but also aligning your actions and thoughts towards prosperity. The observer effect and affirmations. Let's connect this to quantum physics. The observer effect teaches us that observation can influence reality. When you repeatedly say, I am, with conviction, you are observing and influencing your own potential. This consistent observation helps to rewire your brain, fostering a mindset of abundance and possibility. As you continue to use I am affirmations, remember that consistency is key. The more you repeat these positive statements, the stronger their impact on your subconscious mind. Over time, you will start to notice subtle changes in your thoughts, actions, and even your financial situation. Breaking free from limiting beliefs. Imagine walking through life with invisible chains holding you back. These chains are your limiting beliefs. They tell you that you can't succeed or that abundance is out of reach. Breaking free from these chains is crucial for inviting financial miracles into your life. The first step is to recognize these beliefs and challenge them. When you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, pause and replace it with, I am capable and deserving. In Buddhism, the concept of right thought encourages us to cultivate positive and wholesome thoughts. This practice aligns perfectly with overcoming limiting beliefs. By consistently nurturing empowering thoughts, you begin to reshape your reality. Think of it as rewiring your brain, where each positive thought strengthens a new supportive pathway. The power of consistent positive affirmations. Now, let's delve into the power of consistent positive affirmations. These are simple yet powerful statements that you repeat daily to reinforce your new beliefs. When you say, I am successful, I am wealthy, or I am capable, you are not just speaking words, you are programming your mind for success. This daily practice is like watering and nurturing the seeds of abundance planted in your mind. Consistency is crucial. Just as a garden needs regular care to thrive, your mind needs consistent positive affirmations to foster an abundant mindset. Over time, these affirmations become a natural part of your thought process, gradually replacing old limiting beliefs with new empowering ones. Taking consistent action towards abundance. Taking consistent action is the bridge between your thoughts and your reality. While affirmations and gratitude set the stage, it's the actions you take that bring financial miracles to life. Each small step forward, no matter how minor it may seem, builds momentum. Whether it's setting aside a portion of your income for savings, investing in your education, or exploring new opportunities, these actions accumulate and create significant results over time. Consistency is key. It's not about making grand gestures, but rather about making steady progress every day. Think of it as building a house. Each brick you lay, each task you complete, contributes to the overall structure. Over time, your consistent efforts create a strong foundation for financial abundance. Reprogramming your subconscious mind. Reprogramming your subconscious mind goes hand in hand with taking consistent action. Your subconscious mind controls much of your daily behavior and thought patterns. By filling it with positive affirmations and consistently reinforcing these beliefs through action, you can transform your mindset from scarcity to abundance. One effective method for reprogramming your subconscious mind is through visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals as if they're already achieved. Picture yourself living the abundant life you desire. This mental practice helps to reinforce positive patterns in your mind, making your goals feel more attainable. Final thoughts. As you embark on this journey of transformation, remember that the words, "I am," hold immense power. They are not just words, but declarations of your existence and potential. By consistently affirming positive statements about yourself and taking aligned actions, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and attract financial abundance into your life. This journey is about more than just words. It's about transforming your entire approach to life. Embrace the power of "I am" and watch as your reality begins to shift towards abundance and prosperity.